Good morning, everyone. Today, May 13, we are going to keep working on multiplying and dividing expression. So please don't forget your assignment. Today is May 13. Okay. So when we are going to simplify, do you remember what we did yesterday? Yes. So if in case of multiplication, just factor and simplify. In case of division, we flip and multiply the second part. So in this case, if you want to factor your function, how we factor it? Anyone remember? Yes, we have x power 6, so it will be x power 3 and x power 3. This is a factor of x power 6. Now 4 is what? 2 and 2, so it's a plus 2 and plus 2, yes? I'm sorry, plus 2 and plus 2. Bottom, you can take out 5x, what's inside x, minus what? Yes, 4. The second part, or the top will be, if you take out 5x, so you have what? X minus 2. Good job. The bottom will be x power 3 plus 2 and x power 3 plus 4. Good job. Because the factor of x power 6 is x power 3 and x power 3. 8 is 4 and 2 make 6, and their product is 8. If you want to cancel out now, what parts you are going to cancel out? X power 3 plus 2, x power 3 plus 2. Do you have something else to take out? No. Yes, we have 5x and 5x. Good job. What else? So you have your function in simplest form is what? Anyone? X power 3 plus 2. This is up here, and x minus 2. The bottom will be x minus 4 and x power 3 plus 4. This is your simplest form. Did he ask for something else? Yes, if he asks for the point that your function is undefined, and we can do it. Just this is multiplication, so just we are going to look to what? The denominator. So your points are x equals 0 here, x equals 4, x equals, this is x cubed. So it's a cubic root of negative 2 and a cubic root of what? Of negative 4. Okay, this is a point that your function is undefined. Let's try another question. And I like to focus on division. Let's try the division one. If you want to divide, as we said, we have to multiply and flip. So you are going to flip this part. So if you take out negative 8, put it in the top, so you have x plus 5. Okay, and the top will be the bottom, so you have to factor it. So it will be 7x and x. Okay, and what about the 10? Yes, 5 and 2. Good job. Both are negative. And 5 times 7 here is 35, and 5x times 2 is 2x, so 35x and 2x is 37, yes. Now we are going to factor the top here. So, I'm sorry. I'm going to use that pen. So it's 2x squared and x squared. 625. What's the factor of 625? What times what? 25 times 25, yes. So you can write plus 25 and minus 25. And you cancel minus 25 this part as different between two square also x and x, negative 5 and positive. To write your factor form in simplest form. What about the bottom? Yes, x and x you can arrange first and then factor x and x. and 5 plus. Now, if you want to simplify your function, cancel out x plus 5 with x plus 5. What else? We have x plus 5 with x plus 5. X minus 5 with x minus 5. Do you have something else? No. So your function, if you write your function in simplest form, x power plus 25, this is what we have, and you don't forget you have negative 8 outside. Okay, and the bottom you have 7x minus 2. This is your function in simplest form, but this is 8, by the way. Negative 8. Okay, so what next? If you ask for the point that your function is undefined at, you are going to look at what? Yes, all these parts. Top and the bottom. You see, like that. The whole part after the multiplication and the bottom of the point before. So the point is the function is undefined at negative 5, and top is negative 5 also. Here negative 5, negative 5, and 5. So x is not equal 5, and x is not equal to over 7. Okay, if he asks for the point that your function is undefined at, or what's the domain of the function, so the domain or real number except these 3 points. Okay, the next question will be about division also, not division. Okay, something different. Okay, well, let's try. What he gave you, the following equation is true for all real value of y, for y, sorry. For which expression on the left is defined and C is a polynomial expression. What's the value of C? So if you have this product equal 1, what does it mean? So it means C must equal what? Okay, let's simplify the others and then we will find C. This is C first. And here we have y squared, so it's y and y. And 18 is what? 2 and 9, so it's a plus 9 and negative 2. 14y squared, same. And you have here 7y, so you have y minus 2. Cancel out now this with this. 7y with this one, so it's 7y. So now we want to cancel 7y and y plus 9. So it means C must equal y plus 9 times what? Times 7y. So you have to write here your value for C, because if it equal 1, so it means you have to cancel out 7y and y plus 9 to make it equal 1. Okay? So if you want to cancel these two parts, so it means C must equal these two parts. Okay? So your function will be 7y multiplied by y plus 9, or 7y, so it's 7y squared, 7y times y, and 7y times 9, 60y. So you can write it in this form and this form. Okay? Let's try another one question. Division. So here you have to simplify and make it. So b will be down, the top will be z minus 7 and z plus 5. Yes, good job. And the bottom will be here, z squared. So take these comments, z plus 5, and you have 5 z squared. Now we cancel out. Cancel out z with z, so you just have z here. Z plus 5 with z plus 5. And we have b here. What's the value of b now? So b, if you want to cancel out b, so to make it equal 1, so it must equal 5 and, yes, good job, 5 and 2 minus 7. So equals by 5 multiply. Oh, don't forget we have z also at the top here. So 5z times what? Z minus 7. You can multiply or leave it like this. So it's 5z squared minus 25z. So please, if you have any question, let me know. Tomorrow you'll have quiz. Don't forget it. Have a great day and see you tomorrow.